If a woman slapped you right now, what would you do?
I would slap her back immediately.
Wow, that's crazy. You hit a woman?
What crazy is you thinking you can hit me and walk away clean? Keep your hands to yourself and not complicated.
Men are supposed to control themselves.
Then control yourself first. You don't get to act reckless then hide behind I'm a woman.
It not the same. You're stronger.
Then act like that matter before you swing, not after. Don't test limits you can't handle.
So equality now means hitting women?
No. Equality means consequences. You don't get equal right protection for bad behavior.
You are doing too much. It's just a slap.
Just a slap is still disrespect. You call it small because you expect no reaction.
So you'll hit back?
I'll make sure you never try it again. I'm not your test dummy. You wouldn't slap a bear. So stop swinging where you expect mercy.